Now we're going to put the timing chain covers on. Now this casting is the casting that I tried to file down as smooth as I can. It's still a few little grooves in it, so we're going to put a bit of a silicone all around first. Then we're going to actually put the little studs, put the cover, new gasket, then put the rubber surroundings and the caps and the new nuts.
De la forma en que me miraba, podía notar que ella tenía lo que la disco buscaba. Quería que me bailara y el DJ que la música nunca me la bajara. Y se está prendida en fuego.
Bank one done. Now to the outside.
Baja su ego, me provoca y facilito me le pego. Y es que se está prendida en fuego. Que no se enamore, ella está para el juego. Anda sola, nunca le baja su ego. Me provoca y facilito me le pego. Y es que
yo tengo un problema de alcohol, yo no sé por qué soy así. Pa' mí que el doctor estaba bebiendo el día que yo nací. Baby, pon la mano en el suelo y huégate con el pelo. Tu cuerpo es puro veneno, bebé, tú me llevas al cielo. Tú me dejaste caer, pero ella me levantó. Déjame poca mujer.
Now I'll be putting the rockers and the hydraulic lifters on. I have a certain way of doing this. How I do it is I will put the side on that doesn't have the cam lobe pushing up on the rocker. So this one, the cam lobe's pointing down, so I can put one here. Where you see this one is pointing up, so I won't be able to put one here. This one's pointing down, I will be able to put one here. The reason I do that is then I won't put any pressure on the cam rockers, and when tightening the bolt that hold the rockers, I won't strip the thread or put any pressure within the thread. It's just a safe way of doing it. I'll show you how I do it. 20 Newton meters. Yeah, reminder, I need to pull that little rubber seal off the top. See here, I've got only the cam rockers on where the cam lobe is pointing down, so yeah, they're all loose. Where this one, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's pointing out, and same as this one, it's pointing out, up. So if I try and put the rocker onto that now, it'll push up against me. I'll be trying to bolt it down against the valve spring. I could potentially damage the thread where the bolts sit. I will rotate the engine and make sure the cam lobe is pointing away, and then I can put the rocker on. But first I'm going to torque these down and then turn it and then put the other ones on and then torque them down and then do the other side. This one, it's beginning to close. The cam lobe is going to be pushing slightly on the actual rocker, but it's not going to be pushing hard enough to prevent us from tightening it, so we'll still sit it on there, torque it later. something here. According to my note, it says the rocker shaft should be 20 Newton meters. But according to the laptop that we have with the information, it says only 12. Now I tried to do a 20 Newton meters and it seems a bit too tight. Definitely do 12. Huh? Okay, now if you remember on this side, I've only put a few of them on. I've still got 2 more left to put on, but I want to rotate the whole engine so then the camshafts are pointing down or away. Instead of having camshaft pushing on the rocker, then we'll be fighting up against the valve spring in order to tighten the bolts, which could actually strip the thread. I'll tighten all the other ones first, and then I'll rotate it and then put the last 2 on.
Puerto Rico te doy pa' ti queso. Si no peleemos nunca regreso y por eso yo me quiero ir pa' casa, pero tú no me dejas. Ese culo es una amenaza, ya me creo que eres mi pareja. Un chotocho empezó el problema porque la col se metió en mi sistema. Quien más ya yo te haya.
We'll rotate the engine a couple of times and see if we have any binding issues. Huh? I'm going to be installing the spark plugs. Why? Because now that there's nothing in the way, it's much easier to do. Because when you even have the valve covers on, sometimes it's really hard to fit the socket inside. Now there's no covers, nothing in the way, not even the body. Then might as well install them now. Huh? Plus on this model, there's 12. It'll be easier just to do it now. The valve covers, new seals, new bolts, and the torque sticks. 9.7 Newton meters.
Yo estaba en la disco perreando cuando con ella me envolví. Sí, mi mujer me estaba llamando y tuve que darle delete. Y yo que no me dejo envolver, villana tú me hiciste caer. Ese booty que hasta un ciego puede ver y hasta el más santo quiere ser infiel. Cambiamos de escena, hey, de RD hasta Cartagena.
We have a strip thread again.
Si algo yo pago mi condena, nena. Cambiamos de escena, de RD hasta Cartagena. Eres la única que me llena. Si algo yo pago mi condena.
I'm not sure if you can see that, but completely stripped thread. Strip thread. So looking at these, I've noticed that these threads for the valve cover have already been replaced. I'm not sure if you can see that. Majority of them already been done. And I think that's why I'm having binding issues with majority of them. Just gonna strip them all out and replace all of them. Not fun because there's 38 in total. Now I'm not going to record this because this is going to take a very long time. Plus you see me already do replacing thread as well already, so too many.
Mi mujer me estaba llamando.
one down, another 5 more to go. Once they're all in, I'll install the wiring and then we'll start putting the inlet manifold in. So we're getting close, huh?
Noche, apenas empezaba el toque. Es que mi novio me esperaba antes que fueran las 12. Que bien la pasamos anoche. Sé que vaya que me perdone. Y si lo vuelvo a ver mañana, diré que no me conoce.
Yo estaba en la disco perreando cuando con ella me envolví. Sí, mi mujer me estaba llamando y tuve que darle delete. Y yo que no me dejo envolver, villana tú me hiciste caer. Ese booty que hasta un ciego puede ver y hasta el más santo quiere ser infiel. Cambiamos de escena, hey, de RD hasta Cartagena. Eres la única que me llena. Si pego yo pago mi condena, nena. Cambiamos de escena, de RD hasta Cartagena. Eres la única que me llena. Si pego yo pago mi condena.
Mi mujer me estaba llamando, pero yo no contesté.
Porque ella estaba contigo peleando y de ella me olvidé.
Dios mío, perdóname, no sé por qué yo le fallé. Yo estaba en la disco perreando y con ella me regué.
Yo estaba en la disco perreando.
Yo estaba en la disco perreando. Yo estaba en la disco perreando.
Alright, what I've done so far is fuel rail in. I've got the wiring harness in their position. I've bolted it down here where it belongs. Earth wire is here. Fed the wires through for the alternator. Got the coil pack just sitting here because they sit on the side of the body here. Fed the wires through to the starter motor here. The knock sensor in position. I've also put all the bolt for the top cover here. There, all the way across. Yeah, and that's it so far. So we'll continue from here. Huh?
Dicen que hay peligro cuando salgo, que no le temo a lo malo. A veces soy candela. No te confundas que no soy nada de buena. En mis ojos ves maldad. No soy ni mala ni santa. Tráeme alcohol pa' que se moje la garganta. Una como yo a ti te hace falta. Calladita pero a veces soy mala y empiezo y no quiero parar. No soy ni mala ni santa. Tráeme alcohol pa' que se moje la garganta. Una como yo a ti te hace falta. Calladita pero a veces soy mala y empiezo y no quiero parar. No soy ni mala ni santa. Muevo el bum bum como un sismo. Par de trago y entro en erotismo. No digo nada pero quiero lo mismo. Y cuando yo bailo así me agarra la cintura. Le sube la calentura. Veo su cuerpo como suda. Y eso que todavía no me ha visto desnuda en su cama. Estoy pa' perder la cabeza. No me hablan de amor, eso a mí no me interesa. Te gusta el juego, yo soy la que empieza. Pero recuerda que no soy ni mala ni santa. Tráeme alcohol pa' que se moje la garganta. Una como yo a ti te hace falta. Calladita pero a veces soy mala y empiezo y no quiero parar. No soy ni mala ni santa. Un shot de tequila, rumba hasta el otro día. Soltera si me quería, que llevaba fuego decían. Y quieto no pare, que apenas comienza. Apaguen celulares, estamos pa' maldades. Y quieto no pare, que apenas comienza. Apaguen celulares.
Forgot to show that I installed the bracket that holds the belt tensioner sensor. There's one bolt there and one bolt that's just behind the big pulley. So I'd mention that before I move on and install the actual tensioner. Now I was about to install the distributors Well, I am going to install them, but I'm just going to sit them in there just so I can start mocking up, because these need to sit at a certain position in order to line up everything with the fire in order. So then it fires into the correct ignition lead, so then you can ignite the spark. The reason I'm just sitting it in there for now is because the ignition leads, some of them, if you look at them towards the edge, are broken pretty badly. So this one, for example. So it's going to misfire because of this. You got this one that's also damaged. So I'm going to be replacing these, but I'm not actually replacing them. I'm going to replace that cord. Just needed to sit it in place just to do a mock-up.
Me agarra la cintura, le sube la calentura, veo su cuerpo como suda, y eso que todavía no me ha visto desnuda en su cama. Estoy pa' perder la cabeza, no me hablan de amor, eso a mí no me interesa. Te gusta el juego, yo soy la que empieza, pero recuerda que no soy ni mala ni santa. Tráeme alcohol pa' que se moje la garganta. Una como yo a ti te hace falta. Calladita pero a veces soy mala. Empiezo y no quiero parar. No soy ni mala ni santa. Un shot de tequila, rumba hasta el otro día. Soltera así me quería, que llevaba fuego decían. Y que esto no pare, que apenas comienza. Apaguen celulares, estamos pa' maldades. Y que esto no pare, que apenas comienza. Apaguen celulares, estamos pa' maldades. Que se moje la garganta. Una como yo a ti te hace falta. Calladita pero a veces.
Alrighty, all the ignition leads are now installed. The distributor caps are screwed down into place. The cables are tied down, bolted down along the cover on both sides. Okay, so now we can start putting in the inlet manifold and then start putting the engine up. Alright, to install this belt is pretty easy. Like the tensioner, how it works is you got little spacers here. These little spacers will determine how much it tightens and how much it opens up. So when you put the belt on, you see the belt is kind of like a cone shape. When there's less spacers, that means the gap will go closer, and then this will spread up higher. But then the more spacer it is, it's going to be looser, and then it'll come down more. So you put the belt on, you just sit it on there like that. Get this, and then you sit it in there, and you start tightening it up. And of course, the tighter you get, the more it's going to tension it. I'll get this tightened up, then we'll continue on, yeah? And there you have it. We got the alternator and the fan belt installed. The fan belt only had 3 spacers. Once you tighten them all up with the spacers, it gives it the tension. Here, the alternator belt only had 2 spacers, and that gave it the tension there. Now we can continue on. All right, engine is all back together. There, already got this hose connected. I got these 2 hoses that go at the top. Got the earth cable right here. This is the accelerator cable. It's gonna go underneath there. 2 oil lines as a transmission cooler, 1 plug here, another plug there, drive shafts, 4 wires here that come to the side, that connects to the top. This one goes to the side, the black box is on the side there for the heat exchanger. Now I still haven't put the exhaust on because I'm gonna wait until I have it on the car, then I can work more comfortably from underneath. But everything up top is already done, except for of course the aircon compressor. I'll put that on, the engine's already inside. And yeah, so we're all good to go.